Now this is Abhinandan, 25th January 2026. I took a long walk. This is the third video. There you can see the white pillar like, which is the obliques of Buenos Aires. I will walk still there, but this is the main avenue of Buenos Aires. This is probably more than 20 lane. There's one cosmetic company. Okay, I took the website to contact for another business. So Abhinandan here. I'm sweating a little because I walked. Probably it is already 6 p.m. right now. It is Sunday, so there are very less people. I went to one flea market. Okay, so from morning I was working, editing videos, sending messages and other things. I see some kind of vapor coming over there. Let me go there and let me take a photo at that obliques with the backdrop of B and A, Buenos Aires. So those of you who are watching this on Facebook or YouTube, you have to speak to Abhinandan. Let me come to the point while I am. Abhinandan does not sit in one room like some Delhi set workers, New Delhi set workers, who tell they are sitting in Las Vegas. One fellow used to do like that, Ankur Agarwal, and never show Las Vegas. Okay? So, this is true. This was something in 2014, 15 or something like that. Let me cross off. Okay. I do not know it is green or white for whom. So there are a lot of like this networkers, set workers in India who will tell me they are in London. When I tell them send me the live location, they vanish from the WhatsApp. Anyhow, if you want to earn money globally, about $3,000 to $10,000 by working very hard but very smartly, okay, with a proven bona fide business, I'm repeating that, not some scams, not some ROIs, okay, which will be for 3 months, 6 months time and vanish. And a person in the beginning will make money. I have made money like that. In 3 of the opportunities which they told is permanent long term, but they were all there for 1 year. I made more than $120,000, average of $10,000 per month. Those who know me will have seen the earlier proof. But other people lost $50, $100, $500, $1,000. And they are my friends. They start crying as if they are going to suicide because they lost $100. Then their talk will be different. Oh, Abhinandan, because you told, I joined. So now I do only pure affiliate, referral, global, bona fide business. Again, Abhinandan here. Okay, that was, I do not know if I walk like this, there's a white swan. So let me walk. I'll go there, take a photo, make a video. This is already third video of the day. And walk through this bus stop and then see, edited and uploaded. So those of you who are genuine business mentality, okay, not wage slave mentality, not cyber coolie mentality, not people who will think for $3 to get trained and mentored. There are people for $3, they are thinking too much. For 201 rupees, they think too much. Okay? Not for that kind of mindset people. And if $55 or about 5,100 rupees. If $55 or 5,100 rupees is your last money before you are going to suicide. If at all you lose 5,100 rupees or $55, that's your last money before you are going to suicide. Then don't join this business. Don't take this business. I like small businesses because in my life I have seen when I put very big money, 50 lakh rupees. 50 lakh rupees is about $40,000. This was all in 2001. I have lost it. The business failed. I lost it. And I've seen other people also losing it. So today my expertise is taking a business with $50 or $100 and working whenever I want during my free time and traveling the world. In 2021, 2022, when I was there in Dubai, I got inspired by visiting the Dubai Expo, World Expo, where I visited 197 countries pavilion. When I visited 197 countries pavilion, I thought, thank you, I thought, let me visit, because everyone today know about Zoom. Even a village person will say, I'll come on Zoom. So I can conduct my presentation on Zoom, say BA, Buenos Aires. I'll go there, take a photo, but I'm recording right now. Abhinandan here once again. So if I don't come in the evening like this and take a walk, night I won't get a good sleep. I walk nicely, other people drink. In the hotel there are people, girls, young, beautiful, very sexy looking young, hot girls. They all take marijuana or whatever it is. But I walk, other people drink, okay, and some people smoke. Mostly majority they drink and take marijuana. But at least I take a walk for 1 hour time, so that when I work for some time, I get a good sleep. So let me gate crash over there and take a photo. Meanwhile, those who are watching this, don't think too much. This is just an introductory talk. This is just an introductory information, like a trailer. You have to ask me for a 1 hour 46 minutes video. I have not uploaded it on the website yet. People listening to my loud voice are looking here. Okay. So, what is that? What is that?
I'm selling a video with
drone. Yeah, with the drone.
With drone.
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 How much is it?
10,000 pesos.
10,000 pesos, how much dollar? Can I record you?
$7.
Can I record?
Yeah.
Because it will be useful for my friends who are coming here.
Okay.
Okay, 10,000 peso for how many minutes you drawn? How many minutes is the drone footage? Is it photo or video?
It's a video.
How many minutes?
1 minute. 1 minute and half.
10,000 pesos.
Yeah.
About how many dollars? About $7.
$7.
Okay, let me think about it. But first I want to take a photo. Okay, then I'll take your number. I am not looking good today. Okay, when I look good, I will tell you to take a long video for me. Okay? So let me take your number in a minute. I'll be waiting for you. You have to take my photo there. Okay? So anyhow, for those people who are very skeptical, cynical, mostly I'm talking to my Indian set workers and networkers who are all into direct selling. They are all, majority of them I know. They, for education, they don't join. If you educate them, they won't join. You buy them 2 times, 3 times beer and tell them lies. You tell them lies. It's a very good business. You will make crores of rupees. They don't think. They don't have thinking capacity. I'm speaking from 30 years of experience. Okay, and they all do scams. I don't want to mention the leader's name. The leader is telling, we make money and get out. Why do we care for others? I don't want to name that person because this video will go to him. I don't mind. I'm not afraid not to name. I am not afraid not to name. I can name. Okay, Abhinandan is living is a dream. Abhinandan is living is a dream. Because after another 10 years, I'll become more old. You cannot walk. You cannot have fun. Okay. So at least now, after the COVID, when 6 of my friends lost their life, 6 of the friends lost their life, I thought, let me do a business, not one business, multiple business for different segment of people. $55 business is for one type of people. $123 is another type of business for another segment of people. $311 is for another segment of people. $700 business is for another segment of people. 700 to 1100 to 2100. Now I told you I took one beauty treatment place. That is for $2,200 business. I will send an email to them and I say I have a fantastic Japanese technology product. I would like to show you a demo. I would like to show you a demo. Today is Sunday. There are very less people. And it will be sunlight till 8 o'clock. Till 8 p.m. Now Abhinandan is living his dream. Okay? 2022, 2021, 21-22, I was there in Dubai for 6 months. I earned money while I was in Dubai in a crypto business with a $50 business. Made more than $120,000. Okay. In 2023, I made in another business sitting in Bangkok. In 15 days, I made $35,000. I can show you that proof because I did a recording of it. In 15 days, 35,000 USDT. 2023, I visited 10 countries, including I was in Bali for 32 days, Jakarta more than 30 days, Philippines more than 30 days, Taiwan 30 days, 10 countries I visited. Then, if I don't take a photo today, it's okay for me. I'll be here for a long time. I can come in afternoon and take also. But I want to make the video. See people standing in queue. Where can I take? I'll take that guy's number. Okay. See people standing in a line over there for this particular photo. Like in Las Vegas. I was in Las Vegas for 41 days in 2018. That time I was doing energy Kangen water. So now coming to the point, if you're from India and watching this full video, people don't study. I'm telling you the true mentality. If you give them a beer, they join the business. And there are people who are good in giving beer and not giving them tools. They say, "Bahut acha hai, bahut badhiya hai." That is all they know how to say. Okay, I don't want to name them. But you know what? Abhinandan educates professionally, systematically. That is why any business I take, I can become successful. Step by step, slowly, without telling lies. Do you see most of the networkers? One business, two business, they are successful. Accidentally. Then you know what? They are successful failures. People turn back and listen to my voice. Okay. After 2 or 3 businesses, they became successful failures. They cannot build. You know why? Because they have not learned the skills. They only told badhiya hai, acha hai. Okay, they joined. 1 or 2 times people will join with them. After that, people won't join. Now there are some failure people. They listen to my video. They won't join. So Abhinandan has a unique capacity. Abhinandan has a very unique capacity. You put me in Sahara Desert or Thar Desert, where 100 kilometer, 200 kilometer, there is no water. I can squeeze I can squeeze water from the mud and survive. See, I'm building my business. I came to, after 2023, I was in 10 countries, visited 10 countries, including 2023 end, I was there in Paris. In December, I was there for 29 days in Barcelona, Spain. January, I was there, 2024. January, I was there in Belgrade, Serbia. February, I was there in Romania, Bucharest. That was for another company where I spent $3,000 to buy 5 laptops and 10 mobile. And those people, none of the people are doing it. Now, then 2024, February I was there in Romania, then went to Malaysia, India, Malaysia, then Jakarta, Bangkok, India again. Then I came to USA on August 28th. August 28th, 2024. I was there for 6 months' time in USA, Washington DC, Richmond, then in Miami for 3 months. That was very beautiful experience being in Miami. I was there till 25th of February 2025. Then I came to Colombia 6 months. 6 months in Colombia was like 6 minutes. Okay, August 23rd, 2025 was the last day in Colombia. August 24th, I came to Lima, Peru. 2 months I was there. Went to Machu Picchu, a lot of other places. Then 3 months in, then I came to Machu Picchu. Then I went to La Paz, Bolivia. Then I went to, Santa Cruz. And now 2 days ago on 23rd January 2026, I came. Okay, 23rd January 2026, I came to Buenos Aires. I'll be here for 3 months, then go to Chile for 3 months, then Brazil, maybe in between Paraguay, Uruguay, and Brazil, and then come to India, then go to Malaysia, Hong Kong, China, South Korea, and again USA. That is a plan of Abhinandan. By touch with God's grace, everything is going perfectly for me. Though there are some stupid people, I should not say this word, but I'm saying it. They're real stupid. You call me and ask me who are they, I'll give you their names and their stories. Okay? They tell me to read a book on how to win friends and influence people. I have read it more than 30 plus 8, 38. 40 years ago I've read that book. Not one time, many times. Okay, and I'll tell you the story of that useless loser who's telling me to read the book How to Win Friends and Influence People. I use the techniques. Now I'm building my business here. Already 2-3 people are positive. I first tell them to join with $55, and then I tell them go for see them kissing 2 girls. Okay. Then you know what? I tell them go for 6 IDs to get special offers. So you won't understand by so much. By a 19 minutes or a 20 minutes video, you will understand only when you watch a 1 hour 46 minutes video. After you take a 9-hour deep sleep, 9 hours deep sleep, then take a shower, then drink 2 glasses of water, have a strong cup of coffee, and then sit down on your laptop or your computer to watch the video of 1 hour 46 minutes and WhatsApp Abhinandan. Abhinandan, I watched that full video, free video. Okay? Then you say, I am ready to pay 201 rupees or 3 USDT. I want to be educated. I know you don't. People are looking back and seeing, listening, who is this fellow screaming? Okay? So, you have to say, Abhinandan, I know I have to pay 201 rupees or 3 USDT, which is going to be adjusted back to the joining amount. Adjusted back to the joining amount when I join with $55, 51 USDT actually it is, but I'll say $55. And I'm ready to work for 6 months time, daily from 30 minutes to 2 hours time. I'll repeat. I am not like other set workers in India who tell, don't work, paisa will simply come. Money will simply come, they will tell. So there's a huge rush. I don't want to go in the front. I'll take that guy's number and I'll leave right now. I'll come some other time to take this photo. Okay? So, you can go join with lot of useless people in India who claim they are leaders. They don't give you tools. What you require, my friends, is tools. Okay? You should become an expert in tools. 1 time, 2 time you will be accidentally successful in the referral marketing, network marketing, multi-level marketing, direct selling. I recently saw one video. One friend sent to me. He told, Abhinandan, you are traveling the world. See, there's another direct selling person who is having his own aircraft. And he was sitting in that aircraft, one fellow from Chikmagalur. I can't believe. He's a liar, I understood. He says he's visited 240 countries, this networker, set worker. From Chikmagalur, sitting in an aircraft. Okay? And he says it is, oh, you can stand there also. Let me go over there. Okay? So, he's telling he's gone to 240 countries. Is it not a lie? Is it not a lie? How many people want that video? I'll send that video to you. I'll put my name on that and send it. Let that guy who is telling lie, old man, who has his private aircraft, okay? See, there's no proof. He does not say his name. Does not say visit my website or Facebook page. Abhinandan has a Facebook page from last 17 years active. I have my website. And I am going to give an offer for people associated with me. I'm stopping after this. Okay, because I want to take that boy's number. Abhinandan will give you an offer. There are stupid people like North India people. Some leader will call me at night 2 o'clock. He cannot understand English. He does not read complete information what I write, which will be 2 or 3 pages on WhatsApp. He does not read. He calls me at night 2 a.m. and says, for $55 you are giving US a trip. Oh, you are a scammer. And he cuts the call. Okay? And there are donkeys who are going and joining under that guy. And he sends me in the group. He blocks me in the group. And he sends, oh, one guy is giving for $55 USA trip. Don't believe him. He's a scammer, he says to me. I'll tell his name. That useless person name is, someone contact him and tell him. Jai Prakash Sahu. I like to fight. I like argument. Okay? I took all the I told him, boss. He told me, don't send on my group. I told I've already downloaded all your 240 numbers. So he got very angry. He got pissed off. Now, so I'm going to give you a trip. When you start with $55 and earn $4,000 in 41 days time, I will give you a trip to Malaysia. But if you join with $311, which is also a very small amount, which is about 30,000 rupees, and work every day for half an hour. Without working, you cannot earn money, my friends. Okay? It is stupidity to say you lose your money. I have seen people losing money. I'll give you a classical example is Balsundar. He's put 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 7 lakh. All people saying stock market, forex trading, all those things. And you know what? Some people makes money in the initial stages. Others lose money. Do you want to take the bad karma of making other people lose money? I don't want. Because all good things happen to me. Even for my wrong judgment I take, things will turn out very good for me. So this is a very landmark place, and let me finish it off. If you join with 30,000 rupees, $311 or USDT, okay? And when you start earning $3,000 per month, first trip will be to Malaysia. When you earn $7,000, your more conditions are there. Ask me. Okay. Now, companies you have to give business of crores of rupees. I am only telling you to start with $311 and earn. Okay. 1 second. $311 and earn money with a pure affiliate business. You'll understand it only when you watch the 1 hour 46 minutes video. Ask me for that particular video. So once you watch it, you will understand clearly, and then you can speak to me, pay 201 rupees, come on a Zoom meeting, understand and work. Okay, you might have joined earlier companies like Amway, Modicare, Vestige, okay, Herbalife, Usana, okay, QNet, lot of this company, they are all nonsense. You end up getting only 20%. This is based on 100% decentralized AI blockchain, okay, 100% payout. Because there is no company, no owner, no middleman. Okay? It's like 100% decentralized, but there are some uneducated, dumb-headed people who tell, oh, there is no, I can take a photo from here only. Okay, I'll take one from here right now. Now, dumb-headed people will say, oh, then it is a scam. Now let me ask you, does Bitcoin as a owner, does Bitcoin as an office, does Bitcoin as a support, does Bitcoin as an admin? But yet the top 20 banks of America have invested in Bitcoin. BlackRock has put $22 billion in that, and America government has invested in that. Let me take a photo over there like that, and then let me, you know what, contact me. Ask me what's for the 1 hour 46 minutes video which I'm going to upload on my website. If it is not uploaded, I have an old video there now. Okay, I will say upload that video, and then I will speak to you. People can take photo from here also. Okay, so you contact me, speak to me, be a man. Be a man. Today, networkers, set workers have become worse than a village girl. Village girl will talk very confidently. She will call me and say, in Hindi she will say, but I will say it in English. I want to travel like you, Abhinandan. What should I do? Okay, they want everything free. So when I say start a business with 311, they'll say I don't have money. Very good, congratulations, I say them. Congratulations, you don't have money. When you have money, contact me. So Abhinandan is going to stop right now. Contact and speak to Abhinandan. Visit my Facebook page. Visit my website. Study about me and contact. I'm in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Have you seen a network marketing professional? Anyone gone to USA and built a business? They might have earned 6 crore, 10 crore in India one time. And then there's no income. Then they shifted to companies. And now for a few days you'll become a trainer. And that also won't work. So I am a go-getter, action taker. So contact and speak to Abhinandan. Thank you very much. Let me take a photo like this person. So you speak English? You have to take one photo of mine. So I did not go over there and stand because there are big queue over here. But I got my photo done by standing here. See the queue? People standing for it. For the photo over here. So what I did was, from a far place I took the photo. These people were good and there was other people who took a nice photo of mine. So this is Abhinandan, earning while traveling. Abhinandan here. So earning while traveling. If you have heard the full video, and if you like to travel, because only Abhinandan can give you an opportunity to travel to USA. Only after you have earned $20,000. If you start with 311, you can start with first $55. Okay, and in 2 days' time of studying, you can upgrade to a balance of another $260. Okay? When you upgrade and you work with Abhinandan, without working it will never happen. When you work with Abhinandan consistently in a pure 100% affiliate or a referral with 100% payout. I have repeated everything already 2 times. You will get a trip. It's my responsibility to take the initiative to organize a visa for you. Because when you keep more than 5 lakh rupees and prepare a proper itinerary with the correct invitation letter, okay, you will get a tourist visa for 10 years. When you get a tourist visa for 10 years, you can visit another 70 countries visa free. See, Buenos Aires, no visa. Sorry, Argentina, no visa for me. Okay, there's no visa because I have a US visa. Because I have a US visa, there's no need of visa only. Many countries. In South America, maybe out of 13 countries, 11 countries you don't require a visa. And other country also it is much more easier. So is any other leader or any other business person offering you an opportunity like Abhinandan? Okay, because I'm blunt, I'm honest, blunt and straightforward, men are afraid to even speak. And if you are listening so much and you don't take action, you are cheating yourself. You are literally cheating yourself if you don't take action. Let me go there top and see what it is. From there, what is the angle you get of this place. I'll be going top also later. So contact and speak to Abhinandan. I repeat that many times. And take 1 day. Take 1 day to study everything. People are lazy. I know my friends, people like Rocky from Delhi, they are all, 20 minutes video. He says, I don't have time to see. But he will spend 40 minutes talking to girls. Let him have the audacity to call me. I'll send this video to him. So he will be spending 40 minutes. I learned from him seduction skills. So, wow, this is beautiful. Huh? What a view is this photo to sit here and take. Huh? You speak English?
No.
No English? Okay. Very pretty looking faces. Huh? Okay. So Abhinandan has been to many unique places. Some of the most memorable one is Niagara Falls. At night 2 a.m. I've gone alone. At night 2 o'clock. 1:30, 2 o'clock, and that's a very interesting story. And there 3 boys and 1 girl are sitting at night 2 o'clock. And from where they are? They are from India and they are from Bangalore, and the girl is from HAL. Okay, or you can take a photo here also. Very good. Everyone are taking the photo. I'll also tell someone to take my photo. Okay, so Very beautiful. Very nice. Then let me stop right now over here and ask someone to take my photo. Told this girl to take my photo. She took a very nice photo. This lady. Okay. And there's a big rush for it also to take a photo from here. So this is a nice landmark to take a photo and a nice view from here. Okay. So I was over there. That's a place where people are taking photos with the backdrop of BA. So contact and speak to Abhinandan. Okay, if you truly want to be, there I was talking very slowly with a low voice. Now I'll end up right now. So contact and speak to Abhinandan. If you have a big dream in life and if you want to get a ticket to USA after visiting Malaysia, China, Colombia and USA. I mean it, but you should be committed. If you have a belief, you are unlucky. If you have a belief it is not possible, okay, then no one can help you. Even God also cannot help you. Even God, if you are praying every day, God also won't help you. God helps only those people who takes action and initiative. So contact and speak to Abhinandan. Watch the complete video. Pay 3 USDT or 201 rupees and be ready to start with at least $55 or 5,100 rupees. And be ready to work very hard. Very, very hard. Okay, daily for 30 minutes time to 2 hours time. Only then you will achieve your you will achieve more than $3,000 per month. Okay, and achieve your trips to Malaysia, China, Colombia and USA. I'm going to stop right now. Thank you very much. Make 2026 a great year by working with Abhinandan. Thank you. So I walked and came this side, the other side today. From here also you get a very nice view of this obliques. Okay, I'm not taking a photo. I can tell her to take a photo, but anyhow, I am sweating and tired little. So, but a very nice view you get from here. Let me go the other side. Everywhere there are nice parks. There's a lot of people over there. Let me go see what it is. I'm not going to talk about the business right now. Oh, I see a very huge crowd. So, today is only a second day. Second day here. A lot of things I have planning step by step. So, I have already given you sufficient motivation regarding the business introduction and also you know what, to giving you the instructions on how to watch the videos, how to contact me, and you can WhatsApp on the number coming here, because right now I'm having a Peru WhatsApp number. I have a USA number, I have India number, but India number is on a very old mobile, 2017 or 2016 mobile. Though there are more than 40,000 numbers on that. Okay, you know what? You cannot forward a message in that. but I'm keeping it only for number's sake. So this is a new mobile on which you can connect. When anyone speaks in English, I'll ask what is there. Maybe a theater or what it is. This is a station here. I took a card, but I do not know where I lost it already. Oh, there's a lot of queue over there. Okay. I don't like Broadway show, all these shows and all. Movies I like, but Broadway show, I don't like those things. But let me talk to someone. Many people won't know English. Excuse me, what is that event? What is that?
¿Cómo?
What is that?
Sí, la entrada.
It's a theater?
Sí.
Sí,
Okay.
Tucumán o esa, hay dos.
Okay, okay. Thank you. It is some theater. Okay. I think it must be a landmark place. People are taking photos and videos in backdrop of this. I like seeing around because it is daytime and I've taken sufficient photo. I'll come again for a photo. Lot of photos I've taken. Or should I take a photo again? Okay. Anyhow, the photo will look very on a bright sunlight. I'll take it. So, lot of interesting things. I'll go around throughout Argentina. If you want to change and improve your life, change, improve and better your life financially, and if you love to travel, I can give you a list of all this lot of unlucky people. Okay, a lot of unlucky people who just ask me what it is. I'll give you their list. You talk to them and ask them, did you speak to Abhinandan? One Harsha Singh from Delhi. For $55 they are crying, and then they send me some other useless business and they don't educate. They say it is very nice. Oh, very nice. People are making crores of rupees. Any business, someone will be making crores of rupees. When I have told them, when I have earned money, when I show them the proof, that time they don't respond. Okay. So I feel like an effect of New York. It's like New York only, mostly. So this will be the last video. I won't take further right now for today. I think that's a famous theater there. What is special about this tree? So I'm going to stop right now. If you watched so far, if you have not enjoyed the video also, everyone say if you have enjoyed the video. So I say even if you have not enjoyed the video, if you have not enjoyed watching the video and you got offended, okay, but I want you to be benefited, and you will be benefited only when you watch the other video for 1 hour 46 minutes, which is also an introduction about the business, and then you can speak to me and attend a Zoom meeting by paying 3 USDT or 201 rupees. Even if God comes who has helped me a lot and say I want to listen to the business, I say God, pay me 3 USDT. So there are people like Amir Khan who says he has met me very long back. I don't remember. I told him pay 201 rupees, he ran away. No response. Who's the loser? He is the loser. Okay. So I'm going to stop right now. I think I'll go into the small roads over there and reach my place. 25th January 2026. today. It's already 8 o'clock. It's 7:45 or something. Okay, 7:45, 7:50 p.m. in the night. I'll stop it. I'm taking one more part of the final video to be added to the same business video, business intro video. I think after by 6 o'clock or something, one side of the road, they make it a walking road. There is the obliques over there, and lot of theaters are there like this. These are not cinema theaters, but these are, you know, like Broadway shows. They are not movies. So that's the obliques over there. So now let me go like this. I know it is becoming dark. It's already nearing 8 p.m. So I stay 7 road above, like this kind of roads, and across to the left. Anyhow, let me stop. I've spoken too much today.